Go. Yay, yay, applause, applause.
Hi, this is the Nick J Show. I'm Nick J. Hi, and today, we're just sitting here and got a special guest for you guys. Come on, everyone, Stuart Jonas.
Yay, yay, applause, applause.
Hey. Woo. So, Joe, how's it been? How's it going? What have you been up to?
Oh my God, it's Hannah Montana! Sorry.
Hannah Montana. Ridiculous. Anyway, back to non-slutty activities and such.
Joe's in a skirt.
Yes, everyone, Joe's in a skirt. Woo!
Yay, yay, applause, applause.
Now, Joe, we've got someone who really wants to meet you. It's just so amazing. Come on. Joe seems to be stuck to the